Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel. I'll put a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's see what we'll be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. So our trend on our GBP USD is a downtrend move. Now this is our first movement. Here comes the lower low here, lower high. Here is also a lower low. Here is the lower high. Now when market was around this level, I told you guys for swing traders you can hop in for the sell, and now market is dropping. And that movement, if you had up in on the same when I told you guys to enter, you would have been about 140 pips in profit, by the way. So you will be have been about 140 pips up by now. Anyway, we will see it for the day. We will likely see market push up one more time and then another drop. So above all, we will be looking for a sell setup. If it push up, then we will get that drop. If not, market is likely to start dropping. Whatever thing you do is that market should be dropping for the day on GBP USD.